of all, we are very thankful and that you are here. So you have led the SFI for a long time. So how are you feeling when you are here and seeing all the stuff, all the volunteers, all the delegates?
Basically, thanks to SFI for giving us this opportunity to be back in this environment again, to basically live that times where when we were in SFI. It's always very motivating and energetic to be in SFI, and especially how this young generation is leading the student movement in very difficult times.
So as I said, you have led the SFI for a long time, and you have also seen that how the Modi government is against our main slogan, education for all. They are killing the campus democracy. They are also making the students' life a lot stressful. So what's your analysis on this?
Basically, there is a policy U-turn in for the education. Earlier times, SFI and the student movement was fighting for the expansion of education. Then comes a new liberal era when this privatization of education was there. Then we were fighting to control the private education institutions. But in this era, education is being converted into commodity. Student is not enjoying, teacher is not enjoying while teaching and learning, because it is being converted into a commodity, is having only use value, having a degree and getting a job in the market. And now government is not expanding education, especially public sector education. They are shrinking it. New education policy, but it says just close down the schools and colleges. So this is a policy turn. Precisely what you said, education for all means public education for all. Private education can't be for all, because there comes the question of affordability. The people who will be having capacity to purchase education, only they will be getting this education. It's a very difficult time, and this is a blend of Hindutva and corporate understanding. Hindutva understanding don't want education for all, especially higher education, and corporates also don't want education for all. So this blend, this nexus of Hindutva and corporate regime, the education, public sector education, democratic education, the scientific and rational education is their prime target, because they want to capture mind and they want to capture them young, so they can train the citizens according to their understanding of Indian nation, the Hindu Rashtra, where democracy, secularism are not values, they are bad values.
Last question, will not hold you for more time. So that my last question is that our Vikram Singh, former All India General Secretary Vikram Singh, what suggestion you will give to all the delegates, all the volunteers and all the SFI leaders and the members?
See, I always think that SFI has a scientific tool of organization, and that tool is to concrete analysis of concrete situation. In that I don't have any suggestion. I have only one suggestion, that SFI has to do concrete analysis of concrete situation with the best of ideology of world, the progressive ideology, the ideology of Bhagat Singh and Che, with that scientific method of organization and how to do it in a better way, that art of this organization. SFI this conference will be discussing that, they will be delving the issues and they will be using that method and will be coming with the answer to their own question, to the questions of their era, of their generation. I am very much hopeful they are doing very good work, and they will be defeating this corporate Hindutva regime, and they will be ensuring that education will be reaching to the last person at the margins of the society.
Thank you.
Thank you.